Welcome to a new edition of the weekly market update brought to you by Softlogic Stockbrokers. The market reached fresh highs this past week, with the ASI moving past the 10,000 psychological mark with ease. Overall, the all-share price index gained by 2.5% to close at 10,162 points, while the more liquid S&P gained 102 points, ending the week at 3,708. The cumulative weekly turnover stood at 27.8 billion rupees, with local investor interest centered around the banking, transportation and capital goods sectors. Foreigners continued to be net sellers, recording a net outflow of 748 million rupees. On the macroeconomic front, a further sovereign downgrade by Moody's due to the absence of comprehensive financing to meet the government's debt servicing, low forex reserves and elevated default risks. Moody's highlighted that there will be significant risks to balance of payments and heightened external liquidity risks. The fiscal deficit is more likely to widen over the coming few years with the absence of revenue reforms. The CBSL expressed strong displeasure over the downgrade, calling it ill-timed and unacceptable right before the 2022 budget reading. Exports came down marginally year-on-year to USD 996 million, despite gains in apparel and seafood. However, total exports up to September 2021 was up by 19% from 2020, amounting to $8.88 billion. Inflation was up almost by 7.6% year-on-year, which is a significant increase from 5.7% in September. Food inflation also surged up by 12.8% year-on-year in October versus 10% in September. Here are some of the crossings and dividends announced throughout the week. And a few notable corporate news and events that took place. Looking at technicals, the ASI has roughly extended 650 points from its cup and handle breakout, showing strong momentum to the upside. This is the second week where prices have closed in the upper range of the weekly candle, showing strong buying momentum. The target from the primary base, which was 9 months long, is 11,600 points. The green lines on the graph highlight important support levels, specifically the ones at 9,700 and the 10-week moving average. Overall, all three time frames, the short term, intermediate term and long term, remains bullish, favoring the buyers. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you again next week.